guys, you're hearing from Engineer Asim. In this video, I will tell you about Hungary Government Scholarships 2022 fully funded. The online applications for Stipendium Hungary scholarships are now open for bachelor's, master's, one-time master, non-degree and PhD degree programs. All international students are highly encouraged to apply for Government of Hungary scholarships. IELTS is not compulsory, no application fee is required. You can study in Hungary without IELTS. More than 5,000 scholarships will be awarded in the academic year 2022 to 2023. All international students will study in English. The Hungary scholarship covers all higher education fields at all degrees offered at 31 Hungarian higher education institutions. There are many scholarships in Hungary without IELTS. The aim of Stipendium Hungarium scholarship is to increase the number of foreign students in Hungary and to encourage Hungarian higher education institutions to attract top foreign students. Details about Hungary government scholarships. Host country is Hungary. Degrees are offered in bachelor's, master's, doctoral and non-degree programs. Financial benefits, it's fully funded scholarship. Deadline 15 January 2022. Duration of Stipendium Hungarium scholarship. Bachelor scholarship is 2 to 4 years. Master scholarship is 1.5 year to 2 years. One-time master is 5 to 6 years. Doctoral scholarships is 4 years. Non-degree programs are of 1 year. Financial coverage. The Hungary government scholarship is fully funded scholarship. It will cover your full tuition fee cover for BS, MS and PhD. Monthly stipend of 43,700 HUF per month, which is enough to cover your food and other expenses. Full accommodation will be provided. Health insurance, round airfare tickets will be provided to selected students. Available fields and majors. In agriculture programs, degree programs are offered in animal husbandry engineering, agriculture environmental management engineering, agriculture water management engineering, food safety and quality engineering, plant protection, rural development engineering. In business programs, international economy and business. In engineering programs, engineering management, environmental engineering, mechatronic engineering, mechanical engineering, urban systems engineering. In health programs, complex rehabilitation, public health, social work in healthcare, social work and social economy. In humanities programs, English studies, American studies. In science programs, applied mathematics, biology, chemistry, environmental sciences, geography, hydrobiology, water quality management, molecular biology. In computer science engineering. In law programs, European and international business law, LLM. In music programs, classical musical performance. Required documents. These documents are necessary to be prepared before applying for this Hungary government scholarship. Certificate of education, high school diploma, university or a college diploma or certificate or any equivalent, all in English or translated. Proof of citizenship, e.g. passport, short resume or CV, medical certificate. Citizens, nationals or permanent residents of the United States of America applying for the medicine program of the university are required to submit their medical college admission test MCAT results. Deadline and timeline. The last day to apply for the Stipendium Hungary scholarship is 15 January 2022. How to apply for Stipendium Hungarium scholarships? The online applications are now open. All information and official website are given. To apply, please visit the official website of Hungary Government Scholarship. Now, if you have any questions, you can ask in comment section. Do share this video with your friends. Keep subscribing. Keep watching Engineer Asim.